How to set up Streamyard. Setting up Streamyard enables easy and professional live streaming with multiple participants, enhancing your broadcasting capabilities. And I'm here right now on my Google, and I'm just going to go ahead and open Streamyard, just like so, and I'm going to go ahead and click this one here. By the way, for your convenience, you can just go ahead and click the link in the description box in the comment section below, and you should arrive in this very same page. From this part, what we are going to do is create an account. So I'm going to use this one here. And then it is going to ask you, what is your main reason for using Streamyard? So I'm going to go ahead and choose here live streaming, for example. You can also use recording, webinars, and whatsoever. Again, I'm going to do this for live streaming, so I'm going to click this one and click continue. Alright, now that we are here, there are a few options that we are going to do here. So first thing is we're going to go ahead and live stream again. So we're going to go ahead and click this one here. Now you have here studio or pre-recorded videos. So we're going to click studio, and then we're going to add a destination. So where are we going to stream? So I want you to choose between the options here. If your option is not here, you can just go ahead and click custom RTMP. But say for example, we're going to skip this for now. Now if we are going to add a title, so you can just go ahead and do it one here. Alright, and then click create live stream. So we're going to wait for this a moment. And then we're going to set up our microphone and camera. So I'm going to click this and click allow. Alright, and now it is accessing. So this is my camera and my microphone, so I'm going to click this one here in order to change something. For my camera, I'm going to click this one here and choose the right camera for me. Unfortunately, I don't have a camera as of the moment, so I can't really do that one. And then for the camera resolution, you have the option to change it here depending on what your camera's capabilities. You can also mirror it, or you can enable touch up my appearance in order for you to look better. And then for the audio, you can set up your right microphone here. So you also have here your speaker. And then this is very important, echo cancellation, and then reduce mic background noise. Just go ahead and enable this one. For the virtual background, you can definitely do this one, but I'm not really a big fan of it, so I'm just going to skip this one. And then we also have here recording option and then hotkeys. Of course, there are some things that you want to have a shortcut of in order for you to be able to do them efficiently. So here's the thing where you're going to do that. And then you also have here the guest. What are the things that the guest can do? For example, guests can stream to their own destination. Guests see viewer comments and post, play a sound when guests enter, guests must authenticate, and so on and so forth. You also have here ban guests. Say for example, you don't like that guest and you're going to ban them, then they can be found in here. And yeah, once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and enter your name. For example, I'm going to go ahead and write that one and click enter studio, and this is how it looks, everybody. And yes, you can just go ahead and customize everything. For example, for your brand color, let's say I want to choose this color here. Alright, just like that. And then you have the theme options here. We have bubble, classic, minimal, and then we also have block. And if you want to display your name, you can also do that one by clicking this one here. For the logo, you can definitely put your own. However, you need to upgrade to utilize this feature. But don't worry, because upgrading is definitely necessary if you want to level up your streaming quality. And yeah, if you're interested, you can go ahead and check the description box or the comment section in order for you to get 14 days of free trial. A free trial, everybody, is very important in order for you to get the best experience in using Streamyard. And yep, congratulations everybody. You can just go ahead and experiment for more settings here, and once you're done, you can go ahead and click live. And yep, that is how you're going to set up your Streamyard. If you're interested in trying out Streamyard, go and click our affiliate link below in order to access the full version for 14 days entirely for free. This free trial will allow you to access Streamyard's best features. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.